Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today we're making one of my all-time favorite side dishes, garlic and rosemary smashed potatoes. And they couldn't be easier because there's no measuring. When I say this is an easy recipe, it is no exaggeration. All you need are some petite potatoes, some olive oil, garlic salt, and crushed rosemary. That's it. Let's start. To begin, you're just going to take your potatoes and boil them in very well salted water until they are tender, about 30 minutes. Now we want our potatoes to be crispy on the bottom as well as the top. So while they're boiling, we're just going to take a sheet pan, put it in the oven, and preheat both to 400 degrees. After your potatoes are fork tender, you're going to toss them in olive oil and as much or as little garlic, salt, and rosemary as you like. Now we're going to take a second sheet pan, a cool one, line it with parchment, and smash our potatoes. After your potatoes are seasoned and your sheet pan is hot in the oven, take it out and then carefully transfer the potatoes to the hot sheet. Put them back in the oven and roast for an additional 30 to 35 minutes until they are golden and toasty. And here they are, roasty, toasty. They smell amazing and they taste even better. These make a terrific side dish to pretty much anything you could possibly be serving. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, become a subscriber, and leave a comment for me. You know I always love to hear from you. Join me again next time here at Home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.